Okay, y'all, honestly, truthfully, I'm at a loss for words. I mean, there was good points and bad points. This wig review was a little different for me. Stay tuned.
I just wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally.
Roses, this is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today we have another wig review. This one is another wig from Larima by way of Billy Hair on Amazon. Shout out to Billy Hair for working with me again on reviewing one of their wigs. Now, as you can see, we have another curly unit. This one, the title of it is Curly Lace Front Wigs Human Hair Pre-Plucked for Black Women Glueless Kinky Curly Frontal Wigs Human Hair Full 13 by 4 Swiss Lace Free Part Natural Color 14-inch 150% density. And as you can see, we have 4 combs, adjustable straps. So good. And they did go ahead and send a few goodies here. We have lashes. We have the standard wig caps, and there's 2 in that pack. And what this looks like, okay, an edge scarf. This is actually really nice, so I appreciate that. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch as I prepare this unit, and I'll come back at the end to tell you my thoughts. Now, number one, off top, let me tell y'all, I don't have a standard or just a regular wig stand at all. Look, I took one of my tripods, put this wig head on top, and I'm making it work, even though you'll see I'll have a little bit of struggle with it. Looking at the back of this unit, I mean, it looks pretty, decent. As far as density, I kind of wish it was a lot thicker. And as I'm combing this unit out, I'm noticing that the hair on the top is different from the back. So I'm noticing that right now, and the cut itself is kind of, layers are kind of choppy. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the products I normally use in my own hair on this unit, try to get it together the best I can, cut off some of this lace, and I'm going to do what I can as a beginner to the Wig Bay crew. Super beginner. Super duper. I wouldn't even call it wig bay. I just call it as I'm just trying out wigs. So anyway, you guys watch and I'll be back.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
Okay, so at this point, I'm noticing this wig is definitely too big for me, particularly this frontal and these ear tabs is not where I need them to be. So off camera, later on in this video, I end up cutting into the ear tabs, actually cutting into the lace as well to make this fit a little bit better for me.
Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else.
this point, I noticed that I probably should have used a hot comb along the both sides of the parting area. I also could have plucked at it a bit, but that's okay. Moving on. The frontal does have a looser texture, slightly lighter color, especially towards the end of this video when the frontal starts drying way faster than the rest of the hair. It's so clear. So it kind of had me a little frustrated, but I pushed on. And it's not even 14 inches stretched out, so I wasn't expecting that. I do like that it is pre-plucked in the front. I actually could have left it alone and not include the baby hairs. These baby hairs probably was a no-no because I don't know nothing about baby hairs. In all, this particular unit is okay. I'm sure someone will probably like it better than I do. I wish it was a lot fuller in density, and I also would have appreciated the frontal to match the rest of the hair as far as texture. But other than that, it was affordable. If you are interested, I will go ahead and leave the information in the description box. Again, I do thank Billy Hair for sending me this unit to review, and I'll just let you guys watch the rest. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.